on why we should develop water from the Earth's moon. I had a couple questions. So my first question is, why do you feel it's important to develop the moon for water?
I feel it's important to develop the moon for water due to the fact that our human population here on Earth is up to 6.5 billion people already, and there's such a limited amount of water that we actually have that we can use, and we're bound to run out of it. So by developing the moon for water, we can actually create another resource for water that we can actually use in the future, and it in
Oh,
turn will be beneficial to us and everybody else as well.
okay. And you mentioned electricity. What does it have to do with your harms?
Okay, so I mentioned electricity because of hydroelectric power, and the way it works is that there's water withheld in reservoirs behind turbines, and when those reservoirs are full, they create pressure into the turbines, and the turbines then spin, resulting in electricity. And it's important for us because California total electricity accounts for up to 20%, and that 20% comes from hydroelectric power. So without it, we're at a loss of energy.
Okay.
Does that answer your question?
Yes, it does. And
Okay.
how bad are these droughts?
The droughts are at a point where people are being fined for the amount of water that they use, and they're already paying bills for it. So it's at the point where if you're using an excessive amount of water, you're gonna get billed for it. You're gonna get fined on top of your bills. And on top of that, there's actually water wars going on, and that's a water war is like the fight for water, the fight for the resource of water between cities and farmers. So it's getting to the point where water really is an issue.
And then you mentioned also that 1% is only fresh water that remains here on planet Earth. Is that
There's
only, or is that only here in the United States?
what it is that there's 1% fresh water available for us, but the thing is there's 2.5 fresh water available on Earth, and the thing is 70% of that fresh water is frozen in ice caps in Antarctica and Greenland, which makes it hard for us to use. So in turn, we only have 1% to share with the total population, the total human population on Earth.
Okay. So now I understand you a bit more. I feel that that answers all my questions. Thank you for your
Everything's okay?
time.
No problem. Thank you.
Uh, all right, thank you.